Can you use Afterpay and Stockx? Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today you're gonna learn if you can use Afterpay and Stockx. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. What I'm gonna do is just to select a random object and to try to buy it and to go into the checkout. So I'm going just to click on next. Because I have not signed in into my account, I must continue with my Google account by now. So here I am into the checkout page, and as you can see, if I just scroll down a little, I'm gonna be able to add a payment method. So if I go into edit, as you can see here in StockX, I'm gonna be able just to pay with different credit or debit cards, different brands as Visa, MasterCard, Discover or American Express, or even PayPal. If you select PayPal, you're gonna be able even to split your payment into 4 different steps. But as you can see, you're not gonna be able to use Afterpay. I just wanted to show you this article that confirms that although StockX offers several different pay later services, Afterpay is not one of them. And even I have an article here from stockx.com where you can see different countries and the ideal afterpay methods that they are going to offer to you. So if you're perhaps in the United States, you have the chance to pay with PayPal Pay Later. So as you can see, you're going to be able to pay in 4 different payments as well as in the afterpay. There's not going to be any extra fee or payment, anything, just 4 interest-free payments. Also, here you have the list so you can check the different methods that they are offering to you. You can also pay in different countries with Klarna or even with another one that I see that it's Venmo is also really useful. But that's how you can do it. Unfortunately, there is no afterpay on StockX, but remember, depending on the country you are, you're going to be able to pay with a different payment method. Thanks for watching.